In this lesson, we'll learn how numbers can be written in many forms. Students will know how to represent a number in 4 different ways. Students will understand that when representing a number, they have to look at the place value spot. Students will be able to represent a number in standard form, model form, expanded form, and word form. Standard form is when we represent a number using digits. Here we have used the digits 118 to represent 118. We also learned that we can represent it using models. We use base 10 blocks to represent 118. Each base 10 block has a value. When we use units, we are representing the ones place. When we use rods, we are representing the tens place. And when we're using flats, we're representing the hundreds place. To represent the number 118, we use one flat, one rod, and 8 units. 8 units stand for 8. 1/10 or 1 rod represents 10. 1 flat represents 100. We use this value to write the number in expanded form. When we write the number in expanded form, we are using the sum of the value of each digit. Here, the 8 represents 8. The 1 digit in the tens place represents 10. And the 1 in the hundreds place represents 100. So 100 plus 10 plus 8 equals 118. The last form is word form, and that is the form when we use words to represent the number. Let's practice. Standard form is when we use digits. So here in my model form, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units and 1 rod. So that would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have the number 18 represented here. So the number 18 is standard form is reading with a 1 digit and an 8 digit. Expanded form is reading as 10 plus 8 equals 18. I have used the value of each digit to represent the expanded form. The written form is when we use words, not numbers, to represent the number. So here, 18 is represented using standard, expanded, word form, and model form. Let's continue practicing. Look at the number. Move the base 10 blocks to make the number shown. Fill out the place value chart to match the number as shown. So here, the number in standard form is 16, in word form is 16. So now we're going to represent it using base 10 blocks. So we need 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we need 1 rod that represents 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I have the number 16 represented using base 10 blocks. We had 6 units and we have 1 rod. This helps us represent our number in expanded form. The value for 110 or 1 rod is 10, and the value for 6 units or in the ones place is 6. So this gives us 16. Now let's do 23. To represent 23, we have a 3 in the ones place. We have a 2 in the tens place. That means I have to use 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and 2 tenths, 10, 20. This helps us represent our number using expanded form. 2 rods represent 20 or have the value of 20, and 3 units have the value of 3. So 20 plus 3 equals 23. I hope that you have learned how to write a number in standard form, word form, model form, and expanded form. Now you're going to go to Schoology and complete your assignment. Have a nice day.